Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Comer, Ontario, is a charming small town nestled in Essex County. Comer may be small, but it holds an interesting place in the heart of Southwestern Ontario. The town is situated along Highway 77, just a short drive from Lake St. Clair, making it a peaceful stop for travelers. Comer has deep roots in agriculture, which has shaped its character over the years. The Comer and District Historical Society Museum preserves artifacts from the town's agricultural and local history, including tools, household items, and even vintage telephones. The museum, located in the former Maple Grove Public School, opened in 1967 as part of Canada's centennial celebrations. Today, it remains the only agricultural museum in Essex County, offering visitors a peek into the area's rural past. The area around Comer is known for its fertile farmland and proximity to major farming communities, reflecting the town's importance in supporting local agriculture. In addition to history, the museum grounds feature a memorial forest, where trees are planted in memory of loved ones, a touching tribute that adds to the town's serene charm. Whether you're here for a quick stop or want to explore its quiet beauty, Comer offers a slice of authentic rural Ontario life. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty of Comer, Ontario.
Thanks for watching!